Vulcan Force is the first biomass-driven electric generator especially designed to be installed on wood stoves. It uses thermoelectric technology to transform part of the heat generated from biomass combustion into electricity. The electrical energy generated can be used to feed several devices, such as forced convection fans to improve thermal comfort, domestic lighting or decoration, and it can also be used to charge electronic devices. All these applications allow stoves to operate completely green and off-grid. Vulcan Force simplifies the stove installation and avoids the unsightly power cord. The installation is done in a simple manner through the front of the stove. It is only necessary to enable a space at the base of the combustion chamber to place Vulcan Force and connect the electrical devices to feed. The stove thermal power decreases rapidly when the wood is moist. Additionally, the quantity and the type of wood used also affect the power delivered by the stove. Vulcan Force is designed to overcome these intrinsic drawbacks. It incorporates a thermal power indicator, transforming the stove into a smart device, which informs the user of the heat amount that the stove is producing in real time. Few minutes after the stove has been lighted, Vulcan Force automatically starts operating. During its warm-up stage, the indicator will have blue color, since the thermal power is lower than the nominal value. Once the nominal thermal power of the stove has been reached, the indicator turns from blue to white. If thermal power exceeds the nominal value, the indicator turns red. Vulcan Force is equipped with a patented self-overheating protection system, allowing it to operate safely at working regime. Vulcan Force allows the stove manufacturers to go one step further, transforming the stoves into 100% renewable micro-cogeneration equipment.